For the tribes living in the rainforest, these fires are indicative of a larger crisis, one that threatens their very survival. CNN's Issa Suarez reports with exclusive footage shot by filmmaker COMEY.
For as long as anyone can remember, the Wayapi tribe have been the stewards of these waters and the land that caresses it. In return, the Amazon rainforest has given back, with every drop, and seeds safeguarding their livelihood, tradition, and ultimately their survival.
Nós aqui moramos dentro da pulmão da Amazônia, né? Porque essa Amazônia traz saúde para a gente, né? Saúde para o mundo, assim quer dizer. Essa ar é no mundo, né? Ar poluído traz muito problema para a gente. Problema de saúde, tristeza. Por isso que nós preocupamos com mudança de climática, né? Quer dizer, né? Essa é que nossa preocupação, nós exige no Wayapi.
But the isolated Wayapi, 1,500 strong across 92 villages in Amapá State, say they've never felt so under threat as they do today. And it seems not even the demarcation set by Brazil's 1988 constitution can protect them. That is now perilously close, with President Jair Bolsonaro calling for protected and demarcated sections of the Amazon to be opened up to roads, ranching, farming and mining, arguing this demarcated area is too large for the indigenous and is hindering development.